Good evening, children. I hope everyone are doing fine. So today we shall discuss a new topic from the chapter Synthetic Fibers and Plastic. Okay, that is identifying different types of fibers. So how do we identify different types of fibers? Okay, so we will have some test or activity. Okay, so to know or to find out the difference between different fibers, so that is this activity. Okay, so here activity to be performed under adult supervision. Okay, so in the presence of elders only we should perform this activity, so I won't suggest you people to perform this activity. Okay, so just we shall see how this activity is done. Okay, so we need to take 2-inch square piece of cotton. Okay, it should be like square shape, so 2-inch cotton we need to take, and wool, and also silk and polycot. So what is polycot, children? It is a combination of polymer as well as cotton. Okay, so this cotton, wool and silk, so these three are said to be natural fiber. So polycot is a polymer. Okay, put these fabrics under a flame. So okay, so what we need to do is we need to take 3 fibers and we need to put these fabrics under a flame. Okay, so next pay attention to the odor of the smoke. So after putting these fabrics under the flame, you need to smell that fabrics. So odor in the sense smell. Okay, so you need to smell it and you need to know how it smells like. Okay, so in that activity what we are going to observe is cotton smells like a burning paper. So when you burn a paper, how it smells, same like that even the cotton will smell. Okay, an odor that is similar to burning hair or feathers indicates wool. So when unfortunately your hair burns, so how it smells, it's somewhat bad smell, I would like to say. So it is not that pleasant smell. Okay, so if you burn the wool also, it will smell like that, or if you burn silk, it will smell just like that. Okay, so silk does not always burn as easily as wool. So wool will burn so easily but not the silk. Okay, so next observation about polycot: a darkish plume of smoke that smells like a chemical or burning plastic. So when you burn a plastic, you can easily identify the smell is from burning plastic. Okay, so that probably means the fabric is a polycot. So if it burns like a plastic, then we can guess that that fabric is polycot. Okay, so next we shall study different topic, that is plastic. About plastic we will study. So plastics are widely used nowadays, right? So it is replacing many of the utensils, isn't it? So plastic is widely used. So what is this plastics, children? So this plastics is nothing but a polymer. Okay, so you know what is polymer now. So the word plastic, that is derived from the Greek word. Okay, so the word plastic is derived from the Greek word, that is plastikos. So what is that, children? It is plastikos. Meaning is capable of being shaped or molded. Alva? So plastics na now different shapes ali ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. How it can be molded? Because it has a property of molding. Okay, plastikos is nothing but being shaped. It is having a capability of getting shaped, and also easily it can be molded. Okay, so it is one of the most widely used materials today. Some of the uses of plastics are given below. Okay, so as I said, plastics are widely used nowadays, and some of the plastics uses they have given here. So in our everyday life we use several things that is made up of plastics. For example, toothbrush that we use. So we are going to start our day with the plastic, right? So we are using toothbrush which is made up of plastic, and airbrush. So airbrush what we use to comb, so that is also made up of plastic. And also comb, right? And also washing sponge, and storage containers, Tupperware, and many such plastic things we are seeing nowadays, right? Storage containers, and also bottles, So we use water bottles or many other such bottles. And also furniture is also out of plastic, like chairs, tables, your desk, plastic desk, right? So these are the uses in our day-to-day life. Next is children use ruler. Okay, so ruler, you use scale to put a line, right? Toys you use, and skates. Okay, skating, you know it, right? And tiffin boxes. So nowadays we are using only tiffin boxes which is of Tupperware or such plastics, right? And pens. So for example, this pen. So this pen is also a plastic now, right? So plastic is used to make windows, doors. So nowadays we are getting a ready-made houses like containers. Okay, so which is of plastics, and plastics is used to make windows, doors. Okay, and partitions, pipes, sanitary fittings, electrical wiring, insulation, electrical connectors, switches, as well as panels. So these are all the things that we use daily. So plastic has found use in manufacturing of automobiles, machines, electronic devices, medical equipment, aircraft, rockets, and satellites. Okay, so these are the plastic. It's widely used in the field of automobiles also, machinery, electrical purposes, and electronic devices. They use plastic because plastic acts as a insulator, right? So it is a bad conductor of electricity. So plastic is widely used in packaging various products also. Okay, so the building blocks of making plastics are small organic molecules. So these organic molecules will contain, so what that organic molecules will contain? So it consists of carbon along with other substances. Okay, so the organic molecule come from petroleum as well as natural gas. So they are formed by the polymerization of organic compounds. So how this are formed? It is by the polymerization. I have taught about this in the very first topic, right? So it formed by the polymerization of organic compounds. So for example, like for your activity, so here is one activity which is very interesting. So in the following table, name the plastic items that you use at different places. So you need to list out this table and I will discuss about this in the live class. So kitchen alli ಏನೆಲ್ಲ plastics use ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, you should list it out like this. Put 1, 2, 3 and list it out. In bathroom, what plastics you use, you should list out. In classroom, what plastics you use, you should list out. As well as sports ground. So I think it's very easy activity that everyone will be performing. Okay children, so next I'll make a next video of types of plastic. We shall see in the next video. Okay.